This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ellen Wilson. Annual rental available, charming wheelchair accessible villa in Tallywood. Enjoy easy, maintenance-free living in this spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa in the desirable 55-plus community of Tallywood in Sarasota. Designed for comfort and accessibility, this home features an ADA-compliant primary bathroom and a step-free open floor plan. A covered carport, which includes a private storage room, with additional guest parking conveniently nearby. Inside, the villa boasts a bright and airy layout, perfect for relaxed Florida living. Tallywood offers a pet-friendly environment with amenities, including a dog park, clubhouse with a library and meeting room with kitchen, barbecue grill, shuffleboard court, and an exercise room. Residents can also enjoy the screened-in, solar-heated pool and an active social calendar. This prime Sarasota location is just minutes from the newly renovated Bobby Jones Golf Course, Publix Shopping Center, Ed Smith Stadium, Orioles Spring Training, Benderson Park, and the UTC Mall with endless dining and shopping options. Plus, Sarasota's world-famous beaches, including Siesta Key and Lido Beach, as well as St. Armands Circle and SRQ Airport, are all within a short drive. For more information, review the details below or contact Ellen Wilson at 941-556-2150.